I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials now: booking reference, passenger name, email, and payment card. Once done, understand why Skyscanner cannot cancel for you. Skyscanner lists fares. The airline or travel agent issued the ticket. Make sure to check fare rules immediately so you know if the ticket is refundable, changeable, or charges apply. This saves time and avoids surprises. If a 24-hour rule or travel insurance applies, you may have extra rights. Act fast to preserve those options. You now access the issuer's website or app and log in with the PNR or account used for booking. Once inside, navigate to Manage Booking or My Trips and open the itinerary to review the fare conditions and the exact cancellation option. Some show a cancel button, others require form submission. Calculate the total fee and the expected refund so you know what to accept. If the site forces you to call, prepare the PNR, payment details, and be ready to note the agent's name. You complete the cancellation by confirming on the airline or agency platform and saving the confirmation email or screenshot. Note the cancellation reference. Once done, monitor the refund timeline. Airlines may issue vouchers, partial refunds, or take several weeks to credit your card. Make sure to check both the issuer's timeline and your bank. If something goes wrong, escalate. Contact the airline directly, the booking agent, and if needed, your card issuer to dispute charges. Always provide screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.